Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. Today I'm outside, and today I'm playing with my dog, part 3. I'm really bored, but I'm looking around for the ball. I think I found it. Oh, there it is. He wants to play. Whoop. He's so cute. I really have no ideas for a video. Ow! Because I don't know how to do it. I don't know what to do. I just play with my dog a lot. Go. It's a beautiful day outside, kinda. The time here is 8 p.m. Let's see if he will give me the ball. He won't give me the ball. No! He ran away. Oh, he came back. Ow! Now I'm high up, standing. Oh, there's my bike that my 2 dogs ripped the chair. I don't even sit there anymore. I think I have it since last year. I want to throw the ball right there in those tires. Let's see if I can. Dang it. No, he got the ball. No. Oh, he keeps running away. Give me the ball. Ow! He keeps scratching me. I don't know if I can see it, but he scratched me a lot. And it hurts. I'm really bored. I just play with my dog. I miss my other dog. You want the ball? I'm gonna put it in that one, and let's see what he does. Hope it doesn't bounce out. Or however you say it. I don't know that much English. I just know Spanish. Oh yes, it didn't bounce. He wants to get the ball. Guys, if you know, you should subscribe to the Dolentons. They're so cool. Oh, there's a dog over there. Let's see if he passes by. No, I don't think so. The Dolentons are cool, like awesome. They're 100% awesome. I think it's over there in the tree, the dogs, but you can't really see it. Ow! No. Ooh, he came running just for the ball. The view here is cool. It's windy a little bit. You can even see trees moving, I think. I don't know. That house still creeps me out. And he still wants the ball. Siéntate. Siéntate, Rocky. Ve la pelota si te sientes. Oh, there he is. I used to have a dog called Blue, but he died. He won't give me the ball now. So I'm gonna sit down, and he's gonna bring it to me. Vente, Rocky, dámela. Dame la pelota. I don't think he will listen. Rocky! Boy, you just came running. Give me the ball. Go. I almost fell. He wants the ball. But I'm gonna sit down. Oh. I'm gonna sit down. Let's see what he does. Those two trees are growing. Oh. ¿Estás bien? Vente. Vente. Ven. Ven. Ya suelta. Ow, ow, no, no, no. Ow, he scratched me. Ven. Oh, you thought. Oh, you again made it up. Oh, he scratched me again. Those two really hurt. He's scratching me again right there. Why? Why? I like his color eyes. I wish I had blue eyes, but mine are brown. Wait, Rocky? Ow! Then! Then! Oh, you thought. Ow! Not again! He took the ball! Oh, and he scratched me again, like right there. Right there. He needs the ball. I don't think I'm gonna take that long. He catches, he gives it to me, and this is the end. I don't know if I'm still gonna make videos. But the good thing is I'm going to 6th grade. And there's a couple days to go to school. And I don't want to go to school. I really don't want to go. I don't even want to go with my brother. I used to go with my brother in the school. I was in 4th and he was in 6th. Now he's in 8th and I'm in 6th. So he's 2 years older than me. Whew. I wish I had my best friend in the same school with me, but she's going to another one. Well, I'm gonna put it. Well guys, hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and put notifications on. Well, hope you like this. Bye!